Close the doors.
Okay. Dad's ready.
Okay, come here, Bria.
Puppet Show's ready. Ow! Puppet Show's ready. Tell me when to start. Okay. Oh, Bria. Okay. Bria, help me close the doors. Oh, what can we? Bria, I want you to help me close the doors for the Puppet Show. I want you to help me close the doors.
Go close the doors for Bubba.
Go close Bubba's doors.
Come on, Rhea. Mommy.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Mommy, close the doors for me. Come on, Mom.
Okay. Go close the doors for Bubba. Close the door.
Close it.
Bria, close the door.
Come on, Rhea.
Okay, go close the door for Bubba. Bria, go close the door for Bubba.
Okay, we're ready, buddy.
Okay, we're ready. And action.
But wait. We need to wait. But wait. We're supposed to close these two doors.
Okay. Well, I will help you.
Okay.
You get in the box.
Mommy, Director, Mommy, you're going to help me?
Yes. Get in. Okay. Okay.
Bye. Goodbye.
Okay. We're ready to start.
No, wait. I would say when to start.
And action.
Baby. Let me open the door. Here goes. Yeah. Hold on. I have to when to start.
Oh, bust your head open. That's yours.
Ew, I'm winning. Where's what? There I am. Hello there, boys. Hello there, Woody. Hello, Woody. Yes, I do. Okay, so DVD. Hello.
DVD.
Okay, so now we do this. Well done. Now, Mommy is closed, so I'm going to close the door. Mommy, I'm going to be, Daddy's the director, and you are going to be the guy who's going to be in here and the box, and
Who's getting in the box?
Mommy.
Mommy's gonna get in the box?
Yes, and Bria's going to be, and she's going to be close the door.
Okay, say the end.